All right, good evening, everybody. It is September 11th, 2019. Here with a little market update on the trade war. And this afternoon, about 4:15, 4:17 Pacific, Trump released a tweet that he's going to delay the new tariffs, and experts believe this is paving the ground for a trade deal to be imminent. So here you see, at the request of the Vice Premier of China Liu He, and sorry if I said that wrong, due to the fact that the People's Republic of China will be celebrating their 70th anniversary on October 1st, we have agreed as a gesture of goodwill to move the increased tariffs of $250 billion worth of goods from October 1st to the 15th. So he's pushing them back about 2 weeks. And here it is, guys. This is how volatile the market has been just based on the president's tweets. You can see that this tweet was sent at a 4:17 Pacific time. We are here in California. And there you have it. 4:15:17. You can see the big move, and now it is flagging. Will we see new all-time highs tomorrow? You'll have to tune into the market to see if we can break this 30.29 area. I do expect stocks to go higher, but let's keep in mind the Fed meeting still is next week. So expect volatility. That's one thing for sure that we can expect. Now, reviewing a few charts from yesterday's video, we have Apple. It worked just as we thought. If the market could stay green, Apple should test these highs over here, or at least approach this area that we talked about, and it certainly did that. Unfortunately, I did not get into any of my call options that I was hoping to get in, but tomorrow I will be seeing in the first hour, again, if the market's gonna rally to new all-time highs. Apple is the stock I'll be watching, and I'll be looking to ride that train with the market, looking for maybe some 230 call options that expire 2-3 weeks out. I don't trade weeklies as those are a lot more volatile. Another stock we talked about yesterday was maxr, that has been surging. As you can see, I was very fortunate, I feel, to get in today. You can see here it pulled back in the first 15 trading minutes of the day. I was able to acquire a position at about 860, and it just rallied all day, pulled back a little bit, but nonetheless much higher. I'm hoping maxr can test this area over here of 90. Well, I guess it's already trying to do so, but I really wanted to get above 980 again. JP Morgan has a $12 price target on this one. I will hold this one. You can see on this is a volume average 50-day. You can see that the volume is there for it to continue to rally. Another stock we talked about was AT&T. I was also able to get into this one. This one required less technical analysis as it's a stock I just want to be in. Again, this is for the long term. I got in right around the same time about maxr this morning, just a little above 38, and same here. This thing rallied all day. This is not a swing trade, however, I will be holding this one. Now, for going into tomorrow, a couple of stocks to keep on watch with China news is NIO. They call it the Chinese Tesla, and they make electric cars, and this stock has been under a lot of pressure for some time. Excuse these other lines, I followed it for quite some time, but you can see recently it's made somewhat of a V-shaped rally or recovery. I actually took a position a couple days ago at once. It looked like it was going to hold over this 315 area that I consider very significant. I took a position at 318. Today it came to test, and you can see that it held well and closed at around 327. So again, this stock with exposure to China, if the market can rally, I would expect this one to surge, and maybe we can test that 350 area over here. We'll be keeping this one on watch closely. I am already in, but I would like to add to my position as this stock can go bonkers. So another stock I'm watching as well is Snapchat. I was trying to trade this pattern. It did very well, but I actually sold it here for a wash trade. It pulled back on me. I could have got out, but I didn't. Kind of a mistake there. Now you can see that it's trying to stay above this other area that I drew. So that is what I'm watching for tomorrow. But nonetheless, guys, more important than anything, we need to be watching for the actual market to stay green. But keep in mind again that the Fed meeting is next week. So we can expect this kind of volatility. Will the market keep going up even though there's signs of recession and slower economic growth? That we don't know for certain. But stay tuned and I'll keep you updated. Subscribe to my channel. This is for educational purposes and to review my own trades. This is not in any form any type of recommendation. But please come back so we can talk about stocks. And if you have any stocks you are watching, please comment on it below and let's take a look together and see what we can come up with. Happy trading and good luck tomorrow.